Hello everyone! Back in again with another video. So, nandito ako ngayon sa labas. Mahangin ngayon kasi autumn na.
Time.
At
Having the break time now. How they done something today?
may ganawa
Mga
kasi
toast
siya
there.
na inalis niya yung mga bato dito
Because
sa
the
harap namin.
this kind of they make some kind of fiber optic cable, internet cable here in the side of our property.
Hmm.
So I found a lot of stone from here. This is already done, like a big stone.
Hmm.
Can you see? I already like smoothed it out, so not too many big stone anymore left. And you know, in here they have the huge stones, so I already take
There is
some,
still a bit small one.
yeah, small ones. I only took the big ones now away. Look
Nasira
how
yung
big
kanyang
colors.
nasira yung kanyang ano dito, grass. But I think it will grow next summer.
Yeah, but cannot just have
Yan,
these huge stones in here because it will gonna hurt my grass cutter, my lawnmower.
yeah.
So look at that whole
Ayan
huge
yung
ones.
alisan niya ng malalaking ano, bato. Ayan pa, may natira pa.
Huge stones there. I take all of them that I think could hurt my lawnmower.
Mm. But the grass will grow again.
Need to grow.
Ayan.
The company which that I cannot yet remove.
Yeah.
Look how bad. That was the only one, but I cannot yet remove. So I got 2 loads of the stone
Yeah.
away. Ah,
Berries. How is the taste?
like a real red berry. What is this in English?
Red currant?
Red currant.
Maybe.
Punaviini marja.
What is the taste of that?
It's good. It's healthy. It's so like bitter.
Bitter.
I bring the stone there in the.
Yeah, you can show.
You have still your flowers there.
Yeah. You can show where did you
The stone.
yeah, put the all of the stones.
Look, your flower is still alive so well.
Yeah, even it's autumn now.
You know, I don't know why, but it's still feeling good. This
Yeah.
flower.
Maybe it will grow in autumn. Still fine.
Mhm.
Hey, your carrots. Look. One. That one. It grows there. How about those?
Garden check. I guess I need to start to take the carrots. These
It's
ones.
grow. This one already old. Oh.
You take one.
Oh.
You take one from the side to sow. There in the side.
Yan na, oh.
They are baby carrots.
Baby carrots. You need to
But
bring
they are
it
still
in.
yummy to eat.
You need to bring this later. Don't forget.
Here. Look at that.
Ah, dyan niya
Can you
pala.
see?
Dyan pala niya tinambak yung mga nakuha
Oh,
niya
wait,
ng mga
yeah.
bato.
How quick is these stones? I
Yeah.
have to lift them. And this stone is from that other side. From that
Ah,
side.
yeah.
This stone.
Ang
And then
lalaki.
this is from that side.
Yeah. You are not wearing autumn jacket.
Plus
How-
14 Celsius today.
How you feel today?
Feeling good. Not cold at all.
Not cold.
I'm still enjoying after summer.
That's great. There's still stones over there.
Yeah, I also put one float there.
Autumn leaves are falling apart. Harvest na ang carrots next week.
Now the walls are done. This video is going to be yard and a house update autumn 2025. So yard is looking pretty good. Already see the leaves going on the grass. In Finnish koivu already start to drop the leaves and get yellow. And after all, the house walls also is start to be done.
Yeah, this part, right? Last part.
And then next summer I need to paint.
Yeah, painting.
Paint.
Painting.
This is done here.
Only painting.
Paint. Paint.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you. See you again.